Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to open a list in a new window for your reminders using the reminders application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to our Mac computer, have access to the reminders application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the reminders application, enter to open up the application. And now what we can do is let's just create a couple of reminders. Top right corner, let's just say upload a video. Add the date for tomorrow, so that is a scheduled reminder. Let's create another reminder and say upload a photo. That's for today, all the reminders. Now let's go to the left hand side pane. Go to the bottom left corner, add a list. Let's just call this CSV. Change the color to green, click on OK, go back to reminders, upload the photo, drag and drop this to CSV, and now we have a reminder within reminders as well as a reminder in CSV. So what we can do is right click on reminder, open the list in a new window, go back to CSV, open the list in a new window, minimize the reminders application, and now we have both lists side by side. So we can click on the green, enter full screen, and tilt window to the right hand side. And what we can do is click on the window itself for CSV. And we now have a side-by-side comparison of the lists that we have created using the reminders application. So we can now click on green to minimize both reminders. Click on X for both of them. Go all the way onto the dock again. Go to reminders. And there we go. So we can now quit reminders. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.